Quick, easy, and intuitive. That's the experience your customers want when they visit your website or app. Finding their way around your site structure should feel like second nature to them. And a good one will lead them exactly where they want to go, without even having to think about it. Tree testing is a fast, iterative way to discover the path your customers expect to take, where they might get lost in the process, and what you can do about it. So you can build a site structure that's effortless and effective. Optimal Workshop's tree testing tool, Treejack, takes the guesswork out of your design decisions. Creating and launching your study is simple and quick. And the option to conduct unmoderated tree tests saves you time, resources, and money. The ability to compare tasks across different studies makes analyzing multiple variations of your trees easier and faster, while seeing results side by side means less context switching. Making sense of your findings is accessible and uncomplicated, with multiple analysis visualizations that are as beautiful as they are informative. Build an information architecture that makes sense based on data-led insights with Treejack from Optimal Workshop.